Hello everyone and welcome back to the series of SIMULINK tutorial. Today we will study how to make changes in the scope graph, and we will continue from the example of higher order differential equation. As the step input is applied, so output of the scope represents step response. Now we will make changes to this graph. First of all, open the scope and then open the properties of the scope. Now move to the tab of style. And first of all, change the figure color. The figure color is here gray, so we will change this to the white. Axis background color is black, so we will change this to white. Where text, labels and grid color is white, so we will change this into black. Now here we can also change the properties of line, like we can change its color from yellow to blue, and we'll also change its width from 0.5 to 1.0. You can also change the marker here. Now apply the changes and again run the simulation. So you will observe the changes. Now this response is a step response, so right click on the main graph and go to axis properties. Here you can make changes to the graph axes. And also you can change the title here. Like the title of this graph will be step response. Now apply these changes and again use the auto scale and you will find the new graph here. Thanks for watching the video. This was all about today. Stay connected for more videos.